Today we will learn a new sound. It's Z sound. In this video we will learn formation and action for Z sound. We will listen to a song. We will learn some words with Z sound and we will do some activities together. So let's start. Let's do the action together. Put your arms out at your sides and flap them like a bee, saying Z. Let's write Z sound together. Put your finger up and say cross, down and cross. Now listen to the song and do the action.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
And now let's learn some words with Z sound. We have zip, zip, zoo, zoo, zebra, zebra, zucchini, zucchini. And now it's activity time. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
Z, a, p, zap. Z, I, t, zit. Z, I, p, zip. Z, s, t, zest. Z, I, g, z, a, g, zigzag.
Click the pictures that begin with Z sound. We have zoo, zigzag, zip, zero, zebra. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.